Hi there, welcome to Luke's Middle. An art without a story is just a decoration. We present Yin Yang Spirit Bracelet. Let me take you through the journey. A lion depicting Leo. Its left mane flows like sun, the right flows like moon. In the memory of our beloved Mithu. A calm wolf guided by the moon and winds. It's a whole story described by our client, which we have sculpted in miniature. Light and dark are in balance in this bracelet. Calmness and loyalty, love and remembrance. If you have come till here and want to craft something meaningful, DM us today.